So, I want to look at this again. Get this finished. Tell you what, do a mirror side. So I have an image from the other side. So we need to create an edge at the top. And oop. Right, so that's going to give that clearance at the top. See how far that goes over. See, it's like a straight line all the way down there through them. Need to create so. And the nightmare that is all of these little holes. If one there. I think there is. JJ. Do. So, oh dear, again. The accents keep coming out. That's to be deleted. There's the middle one, and two. One, that one. What I'll do first, though, is separate that. I want to separate it off. Just do a Y. Separates it, but keeps it in the same object. Because now if I add any edges in here, it's not going to interfere with the actual circle. Good thinking. Yeah. So, do a one. So, what an idea. Something that might help. Already got materials on, haven't I? These don't take long, I suppose. Right, so let's create. All the matter is like two colours. So I don't know which pieces are going to be cut out. Come on, there a sec. Just stitch them. Call this. Okay. See? And also another one called keep. Right, so now need get rid of that. Get rid of them too. So now it's easier to visualize it. Oh, that was my idea. So now this all needs dividing up into. Yes, I've left the window open. Can you name us stronger than each other? Right, so do with a border around them also, couldn't it? So with them selected, I'm going to insert them. Just will say individual just in case. I don't think it really matters, but right, so invert that. I want to keep them still. And we now need, tell you what, how many was here again? 1, 2. $14. The mouse keeps jumping around. Got a mind of its own. Right, so hang on, 14. That in fact is going to need one through there. That also one through there. Then highlight these and do Control B. Give them that little bit in the middle. Now, one in there. Make that 14. Ding, 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 ding. Again. With get the little square in the middle to be, well, square. Easy to see what I mean. They come all the way back to here. I might have mixed up. Damn it. They come all the way back to there, don't they? We get away with this. I'm going to say no. I can tell if that was see-through or not. I'm beginning to think I've made a bit of a pig's ear of this now. That comes down there, but they go all the way behind. You know, of pants. So I just saved it. I could really do with me 2 screens in the backside this. Just to record, I've got to keep Blender on this page screen and also the references, whereas normally Blender would be on the other screen, the references for easy access on the right screen. Right, so is that still kept now, isn't it? It's just these to come out. Do a quick test. Do 3. I'll highlight these. Oh, this will be a pain, isn't it? Yeah, just to save the clicks. And click them. Oop. What's that one hasn't doubled up. Again. Make sure there's a gap in there, otherwise it doesn't move it. Right, it's like that. Right. So let's check this before we delete. That bit to come out as well. Is that what it looks like? Looks like. It goes all the way into there. Is there a way I can get round? 1, 2, 3. It's definitely 14. Thinking. Not gonna make a difference. Ooh. That needs to be filled in. That part. This bit's confusing me. Although if I leave that like that, that then makes it my grill, doesn't it? So I'm not supposed to be exact, but at least this way it's not really not going to be copyrighted anyways. Yeah, because they come all the way into there. Need to do a bit of an operation here. So basically need to do that nice and easy. What we want, knife, click on there, press C. Done. That way it then keeps it horizontal, not stray off any direction. Now we just pull them across in a second. Right, and then, oof, or merge distance. It's not needed. These will need to be raised. Oh, hang on, that looks a little messy. Make sure X-ray mode. And them. And them. Square them off. Right, so what's the time on this one? 15 already? Coming up. Right, so select nothing with cutaway highlighted. Select nothing. Go to 3. Select cutaway. And then go X3. Yeehaw. Whoa. Astound myself at times. I hope this is going to work. Oh, right. It doesn't. Spanking that, isn't it? Whoa. Suits you, sir. Right, on that note. I knew it. That'd be something I missed out. Bloody bottom ones. Oh, it looked a little warm, lopsided. Oh my god, man, stop selecting the bottom. Oh, they would sort it. I'm for that. Right, let's just leave it like that for now. Go S. Save it. I'll catch you in the next one.